Welcome to WetSpace Tutorials. I'm Allie Ray, the CEO of WetSpace, and today I will explain to you how to create a wallet and easily connect it to our platform. Whether you're a creator or a fan, the process is the same. In this tutorial, we will use Trust Wallet as an example, but you can use any available options we support, including Coinbase, MetaMask, and Wallet Connect for any other wallet. So let's get started. First, we will download it on our cell phones. It's available for iOS and Android. Once the download is finished, you open the app and click on the Create New Wallet. The next screen you come to is the Terms and Agreements. Simply read through these and accept when you are ready. The next thing that happens is you will receive your secret phrase, which is and will remain the master key of your wallet, so pay very close attention to the following items. 1. If you lose this secret phrase, your funds will be lost forever. 2. If you expose or share your secret phrase with anybody, your funds can get stolen. 3. It's your full responsibility to keep your secret phrase secure. As you can see, this phrase is super important and you definitely want to make sure you keep it. After reading that and keeping it in mind, you will then want to click Continue. Then you will receive your secret phrase, and you should make a secure backup of this. Save it somewhere you won't lose it. Finally, you will be prompted to verify the code you just received. Congratulations! You've just created a new crypto wallet where you can receive and send cryptocurrencies. Now it's time to connect this wallet to WetSpace. Head to wetspace.com and sign in. If you have not signed up yet, you can do this in less than a minute now. Once signed in, click on Menu. You'll have your general settings, wallets, and connect. There, we will have 3 options: Coinbase and MetaMask, and then Wallet Connect for any other wallet you may have. Since we just set up a wallet with Trust Wallet, you'll want to click Wallet Connect. Now simply click on Trust Wallet to continue on the app, or if you're on your computer, you can scan the QR code using My Trust Wallet app. Settings, Wallet Connect. Now I can choose the network I'd like to use. On WetSpace, we support 4 different networks, but for this one, I will select Smart Chain. You are then redirected to a new screen where your signature is requested. All you need to do is confirm, and that is it. Your wallet has now been successfully connected to WetSpace and is ready to make a splash. Now, whether you're here to play or get paid, or maybe even a little bit of both, your wallet is connected to the wettest platform for creators and for fans. WetSpace. Slippery when wet.